I have an idea. I'm gonna chop my hair off today using BRAD Mondo's tutorial, because I'm not a professional hairstylist, even though I'm trimming my own hair for like 10 or 11 years. But first, I'm gonna straighten. It needs to be straight AF. The amount of hair that's in my head, stupid, I have too much. Seriously, look at this. Where it came from. I hope I'm not gonna get in the fail video. I hope this video is not gonna be a fail one. I have to put something underneath me because I'm in my room and my grandmother is gonna kill me because I'm gonna leave a lot of hair on the rug. I think this is gonna be enough. At this point, there's no turning back. My gosh, I'm chopping a lot of hair and nothing feels like being cut. And it's not even in the frame what I'm doing.
One eternity later.
I love you. not gonna do this like this because it's starting to piss me off. I'm gonna do it like this. Okay? Kill me. I prefer a little bit of a simple way to do this. That was my eye. Mommy got a dream. You don't like it? He just woke up from a nap. Baby, come on. Come on. Ouch. I have a bat. Black one. He's disguised as a cat. Do you still love mommy? No? That hurt. And this is the amount of hair that I've chopped. Bye, baby.